fine art really teaches you to not just make, but to think.
Being in Falmouth, it's very open to individuality, what you want to do. Printmakers, film people, sound, sculptors, drawing, painting, anything you want to do.
I like to throw everything into my work, sort of mixed media all the time, like filming, sculpting, painting. And down here I had the opportunity to sort of do all of that and talk to all the tutors that specialised in those areas to help me put it all into my work.
The university work with us to offer their reflection from a very large and diverse tutorial team who are always around, and there's just an immense amount of intellectual capital there available to every student, not just the students that they've been designated to work with.
Tutors are just incredible, amazing people who are so focused on your work and really get to know you.
With them all being practicing artists of their own, or artistic researchers and things like that, and that really opens up potential in our own practice as undergrads. We're doing a very real development of very real practice that we can take on into our professional life.
I would say I've been continually challenged by every tutor in a different way.
They interrogate every decision we make, and that pushes us into constantly developing better practice. We're never steered on what to look at or how to look at it, but we are definitely pushed to make sure that whatever we're doing and however we're doing it is the best we can do it.
It definitely pushes you to your limit, but I mean, it does encourage you to develop your practice further. But I see this as a positive thing, because also if you want to become better, you have to push yourself.
The technical facilities at Falmouth are wonderful. They're wide-ranging, they're staffed by expert technicians. Our technicians are all practicing artists who practice in the media that they operate a workshop for. So we have that extra bonus of taking their expertise in making art.
It definitely gives me a wide range of options for the future, having done this degree. I don't think it's narrowed me down at all. If anything, it's opened me up to more.
And there are so many transferable skills. You're working individually, but then as part of a group, you're self-disciplined, you're doing your own time management, you're really focused. So there's so many skills that I've kind of gained from this that I wouldn't have gained from any other course.
Doing fine art by the coast was just like such an amazing opportunity for me.
You're not going to get a canvas in a tropical garden anywhere else, I don't think. Falmouth, the location's great. It's full to the brim with artists and creative spaces in town and neighbouring areas. Everyone you're talking to is doing something creative.
It's become a core element of my life, and I thrive on it and thrive on the discussion of my work, on the development of it, the environment around the other students. It's brilliant.
Love it. Honestly, like fully fallen in love with the place and do not want to leave.